Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has bounced by the support of another falling wedge pattern on the 4-hourly time frame chart, and in today's video we will take a look whether the Bitcoin will break out this resistance of the falling wedge or it will be rejected once again. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this 4-hourly time frame chart, and definitely I'll also show you this breakout as well that we have taken from this very big down channel. Now on this 4-hourly time frame, price line is once again bounced by this support. You can see that we have a bounce here, we have two more touch points here, and another bounce here, another bounce here, and a few more touch points here again at the support. And you can see that the price line is testing the support more than the resistance. That is a bit critical, because the more it will test the support, the more there will be chances to break down the support. And if we take a look at the resistance, then here we have few touch points, then we have a big gap here. Price line went close to this resistance here as well, but could not touch the resistance here. And again, we have few touch points more, and after this bounce, we can expect that the price line will touch the resistance once again to break it out. And this was the support I was telling you in my previous video of $36,300 that can work as a nice support in the immediate short term for Bitcoin. And you can see that previously here on the short term, it has been working as a nice support here back on 25th of January, 27th of January, and here on 3rd of Feb as well. Therefore, the price line is again getting bounced by this support and moving towards the upside to make another attempt to break out this falling wedge. Now, for example, if the price line breaks out this resistance of the falling wedge, then obviously the target can be top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $44,200. Now, if we take a look at the oscillator here, then we can see after quite a long time, like after 22nd of January, the RSI entered the oversold zone here on 17th of Feb, and since then it is again and again touching this oversold zone. And here we have a bullish divergence appeared, like RSI has started forming higher lows, and if we take a look at the price line, it is forming lower lows. So there is also a bullish divergence appeared. That can be another indication that we are going to break out the resistance of this falling wedge during this attempt. Now let's take a look at this daily time frame chart, and I told you that if we will break down this support of $36,300, then there will be a high probability that the price line will test the previous resistance of the channel as a support. That will be approximately at $35,000, and here we have a very strong support of $33,000. Now if the price line breaks out this wedge, then the probability will be decreased to test this previous resistance of the channel as a support, and it is possible that the price line will start making higher highs and higher lows once again, even on the daily time frame chart as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.